What's going on, guys? Midtack here, back with another video. I know recently I dropped a kind of EDC overview, just some items that I had laying around, and today I just wanted to go through my actual pocket EDC, what I'm actually carrying every day for the most part, and this is it. You're looking at it. It is nothing fancy, it is nothing pretty, and pretty simple, so we're just gonna kind of go right over it. I have videos on a lot of these already on my channel, but we'll kind of get right into it. So first item here is the Trayvax Original 2.0. This is my favorite wallet ever made. I try to convince everyone to buy one at least once because I think they're awesome. Got a Spydero Efficient. This is, I think, a 2.9-inch blade. One of my favorite Spydero knives, just ergonomically. I think that it feels really good in the hand. The grip's great. It's G10 as well, just like the Trayvax. And I have bigger hands, so this is definitely a decent sized blade for me to hold. Still remaining that short form factor on the blade. Next item is the Weltool T1 Pro. We call this the Little Duke. One of my favorite flashlights to date. I think it's just the best bang for your buck. I think it's about $40 or $50. Packs a huge punch. I think it has like a 300-yard throw. Really high center beam, and then you have some good floodlight as well around that center beam. So I'd recommend this to anyone, literally anyone. I think it's perfect. It's very small. I think it's literally the same size as the knife. So it's just very, very small. Basically no space in the pockets. My key organizer is from Ridge. I think I said this in my last video, but I'll say it again. I probably wouldn't recommend buying one of these. I do love it. However, I think the price point at $50 or $70 or something like that is just way too high for these things. You can find other brands doing them for $20 or $30 and be just as happy. Got this as a gift, so I didn't purchase it myself. Next thing would be some Zins. I like my nicotine. This is my nicotine pouches. These are the Peppermints. Always have these in my pocket. And then I have POM Mk.3. This is the, I think it's 1.4%. Yeah, 1.4. Best one in my opinion. Has the longest spray time, farthest spray distance, and it has a nice safety there. Gotta get under that safety to activate. And then I'm also carrying my EDC. Is a 9mm Sabre Dagger. Got a TLR-1 HL on there. This thread protector is from Ballistic Advantage, I think. It's called a Skullcrusher. Got the Zulisy OakC Dot on there as well. And then we have mag extension, 5-round base plate mag extension. But yeah, pretty gnarly. Got this in a holster from We the People and a Vetter Wedge Chinesium. We are good to go, guys. That is the EDC. My everyday carry. I got it all here for you guys. And we're done. Peace.